you're looking to live in one of Penrith's most sought after estates, then this is the place to be. And the kitchen gives panoramic views from the lounge through to the cinema room, allowing for watchful eye over finished plates and empty glasses. As the master chef or simply love entertaining, this is the perfect place to host family and friends. Having options for a pool and both respite for a caravan, this rear garden provides lots of options. This is the best community and my favourite place to raise a family. For more information, give me a call. I'm Trevor Holmes, as always, bringing you the best homes. I look forward to seeing you soon.